I think IT is a very important component to the inner workings of a hospital, keeping them going, with the computer systems, the nurse call systems, the phones, the communication. It's really made a difference in my attitude, thinking that we are there supporting the front line. During this COVID outbreak, we've done our best to work in the units, work with the nurses, and if all possible, just not have to go into patient rooms.
I think it's been very difficult to adjust with just the nature of what we see each day. We see masks, we see isolation units, we see a lot more precautions than we've seen before. I think we've also seen a lot of the partnership being better together with our clinical staff in particular, and really finding creative solutions together.
I definitely have been able to show nurses how to troubleshoot a simple phone issue. I've also given them access to the keys for our workstations in order to get that issue resolved.
One of the big things that I try to do, I try to maintain a positive attitude and a fun atmosphere for us. I think our team has done a great job through this pandemic.
I choose to show up every day and do my job because I'm not afraid. I just have to push forward to continue serving the hospital, and not just the patients and the people, but the community itself.
My team has always held customer service at the forefront, and that has not changed. They truly have been heroic in my eyes. I am inspired by my team and really see their perseverance and determination to continue the customer service, even with the change in dynamics.